In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WordPress block editor for beginners detailed tutorial. We'll start inside the WordPress site editor. Open your site's editor and navigate to your About page template so you can see changes in context. Once you're there, open the block inserter by clicking the highlighted plus icon. This is the hub for everything you can add, individual blocks and ready-made patterns. Begin with patterns. Patterns are pre-designed sections you can drop into a page, which is perfect when you want a polished layout fast. Filter the patterns by media to see sections that showcase images, galleries, and video areas. It's a quick way to build visually rich sections without designing from scratch. Now switch over to the Blocks tab. You'll see categories that group similar tools together. Under Text, you'll find headings, paragraphs, lists, quotes, and more. Great for structuring your content. In Media, you have images, galleries, video, and audio blocks for visual storytelling. Design includes layout helpers like columns, groups, spacers, and buttons, which help you fine-tune structure and spacing. Widgets brings in elements like search, latest posts, and calendars. Theme provides dynamic pieces, such as post titles, featured images, and navigation that pull from your site's data. Embeds lets you bring in content from other platforms. Here you'll also see options like CrowdSignal for polls and surveys. You may notice additional sections such as forms for collecting leads or feedback, Monetize for adding paid content or similar features, Grow for audience building tools, and Jetpack for performance, security, and media enhancements. These categories appear based on what's active on your site and expand what you can do inside the editor. Head back to Patterns and choose Explore All Patterns to open the full library. Use the filters and search to narrow down what you need, and preview a pattern before adding it to be sure it fits your page's style. If you're focusing on visuals, filter by media again to zero in on image-first layouts. Within the Media tools, open the Images section. Then explore built-in sources like Openverse and Pexels free photos. These libraries help you find high-quality visuals without leaving the editor. Always check licensing details and give attribution when required. If you've favorited anything or saved your own reusable pieces, visit the saved area to quickly reuse them across your site. When you're satisfied with your selections and layout, review your page and click Publish to make the changes live. That's it. A clear path to exploring blocks, patterns, and media sources so you can build beautiful pages with confidence in the WordPress block.